Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi 11T and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here in the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing. Now just open the app, here go to the enabling settings and turn on the green Apple keyboard. Now just tap twice to OK to confirm that and go back. Now just go here to the switch input methods and switch the Gboard from to the green Apple keyboard. Now just tap OK and now we can just check, for example, by the messaging with someone. Okay, just tap to start chat. And here go to the hard reset, and when you will take the message you can see that your keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard and the emojis. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.